you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you can join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today is a living room refresh and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. In today's video, I will be doing a living room refresh by changing out my spring decor. If you are new here, my name is Deshawn. Welcome to my channel. To my new subbies, thank you so much for subscribing. I truly appreciate you. To all the returning viewers, welcome back. As you can see here, I have cleared out this space by removing the previous items that I had in order to prepare to do a quick cleaning in here. The couches are clear, the tables are clear, everything is clear and good to go for me to prepare for my new decor. A cleaning tip. When dusting, it's always best to dust from top to bottom. That way, any remaining particles will fall to the floor. And then when it's time for you to vacuum, you will more than likely get up all of the remaining dirt and dust. Nesting tables are a great option if you are like me and you're sick and tired of the big bulky coffee tables. God bless anybody who has them. I'm not knocking them, to each his own, but as you can see, I'm picking this thing up easy breezy. Okay, it's so durable, easy to clean, and child friendly. Like, I just love it. It still accomplishes what I want to accomplish. I love this Gonzo disinfectant spray. I use it on so many surfaces in my home. It cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes. It's not the best smelling product, but you can compensate for that in many other ways, and the smell doesn't last long. Bottom line is, it gets the job done. Another cleaning tip. Whenever you're cleaning your sofa, it's always good to rotate your cushions for equal wear and tear. That way one area is not more worn out than the next. Also, if you have an option to, turn your cushions upside down as often as you can. I can't do that with my particular sofa because I don't have reversible cushions, but it definitely preserves your furniture and is something that I highly recommend. Final cleaning tip. I like to use baking soda for my carpet. It's a great deodorizer and odor eliminator. It also absorbs a lot of the dirt and the oils that lie in your carpet. I usually put it down prior to dusting or doing anything else in the room so that when it's time for me to start vacuuming, it has settled a while. It's best to leave it on for a minimum of 15 minutes, but the longer, the better. Call me old-fashioned, but I like to use my vacuum with the cord. The cordless vacuums aggravate me because the battery life is just not long enough. So I just plug my little vacuum in and do what I gotta do. Alright guys, you'll have to excuse this portion of the video. Something happened with my volume, so I had to do a voiceover. I was just explaining how I prefer to use these pillow inserts instead of going to the store all the time buying new pillows. When I want to change my look, I just order whatever pillow cover of my choice, whatever I'm going for at that time, and I cover these inserts with them. This is a great option and a great investment. You can use these over and over again. I've had these for quite some time. They are highly durable. They have maintained their shape as well as their fluff. I previously had these word pillows at the start of spring that I used, and right now I want to bring the outdoors in, so I'm going with these plant design pillowcase covers that I order off of Amazon. I also ordered the inserts off of Amazon as well. As I previously stated, this is a great option. I ordered the 20 by 20 pillow inserts as well as the 18 by 18 pillow covers. You want to make sure that the inserts that you use are larger than the actual covers that you want to use. These are kind of on a small size compared to what most people use. But I like it because I'm going for a small pillow on my couch right now. I do not chop my pillows. I decided at the last minute that I wanted to continue to use these vases that I previously had on my table that you see me placing right now, as well as the previous decor that was on my nesting tables. I just felt like they complemented the changes that I'm making really well. And I'm not quite tired of it yet. I just put these out at the start of spring, so I'll probably have it carry me through until I decide to change up my decor again. But I love it. Believe it or not, a lot of the accent pieces that I am using in this space came from the dollar store. You do not need to spend a lot of money to make your space look great. The frogs that I'm using, the green apples that I'm using, the word decor, all of that came from the Dollar Tree. I like to mix and match inexpensive with semi-expensive or sometimes expensive all together, so that you can't really tell what costs what, but it all looks great. That's exactly what's going on in this space right now. This table that I'm placing these pieces on is a slide under sofa table that I purchased from Home Goods. I usually do use it for my sofa, but right now I'm using it as a side table. These flowers that are in the vases came from Michael's. this concludes our video for today. Thanks so much for watching.